Hello, Level 2 students. This is Unit 1, Lesson 7. We are reviewing the vocabulary words, and you do not have to submit anything for this page. I just need you to go to your page 18 where you have the vocabulary words, where you rated yourself and you wrote the definition, and just follow along. I'm going over this vocabulary review just like I would do in class, and I will answer the questions as well, so you can review with me in the same time, okay? So if someone's innocence is proved, is he or she guilty? No. If a person's innocence is proved, he or she is not guilty. Think of the passage title. What can help prove innocence? Science can help prove innocence. So that was the word innocence. Next one is evidence. How much evidence can show a person's guilt? A very small bit of evidence can show a person's guilt. What are some examples of crime scene evidence? Hair, blood, skin, and fingerprints are examples of evidence. Let's go to another word, fiber. Are fibers too small to prove a person's guilt? No, even a fiber can show a person's guilt. What kind of fiber helped catch kidnapper Robert Anthony Buell? A carpet fiber helped catch the kidnapper. The next word is trace. Does a criminal usually take all traces with him? No. A criminal usually leaves traces behind. What does a trace show? A trace shows that someone or something was present. Can a trace be used as evidence? Yes, a trace can be used as evidence. Next word is preserve. When investigators preserve a crime scene, what do they do to it? When they preserve a crime scene, they keep it the way they found it. Why is it important to preserve the scene? It is important to preserve the scene so investigators can look for clues and take samples. If clues and samples help convict a criminal, the criminal has been found what? A convicted person has been found guilty. Is a person convicted in a court of law or outside it? A person is convicted in a court of law. The next one is unique. What makes a fingerprint unique? It is unique because it is different from all others. Is your DNA unique or does it match the DNA of others? DNA is unique. The next word is identify. If the DNA in a blood sample is identified, it has been what? DNA that is identified has been recognized as belonging to a certain person. How can criminals be identified? They can be identified by fingerprints, DNA, and looks, and other. Next word is suspect. A suspect is a person who what? A suspect is a person who police think may be guilty of a crime. How can the DNA in a blood sample help show a suspect's guilt? If the DNA in the blood sample matches the suspect's DNA, he or she is probably guilty. If you are a witness to a crime, what have you done? If you are witness to a crime, you have seen it happen. Why can't a couch or a carpet be a witness to a crime? A couch or a carpet cannot be a witness to a crime because they cannot see. This concludes page 18, review of the vocabulary passage. Again, there is no submission necessary for this page. Bye, y'all.